Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Microsoft Azure Administrator role AZ-104. You can download the complete list of Azure-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Azure Administrator role is: how do you implement network segmentation and security controls in Azure using Azure Virtual Network (VNet) and Network Security Groups (NSGs)? Your answer should be Azure Virtual Network (VNet) is a network isolation and segmentation service provided by Microsoft for creating private, isolated networks in Azure. Network security groups (NSGs) are firewall rule sets that allow or deny inbound and outbound traffic to Azure resources based on source and destination IP addresses, port numbers, and protocols. By configuring VNets and NSGs, organizations can implement network segmentation and security controls to enforce access policies and protect against unauthorized access to Azure resources. Our next interview question is: what is Azure Application Gateway and how does it support Web Application Firewall (WAF) and load balancing for web applications in Azure? Your answer should be Azure Application Gateway is a Layer 7 HTTP or HTTPS load balancing service provided by Microsoft that enables organizations to build scalable and highly available web applications in Azure. Application gateways provides features such as SSL termination, URL-based routing, session affinity, and web application firewall (WAF) capabilities for protecting web applications against common web vulnerabilities and attacks, improving application security and performance. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of Azure Disk Encryption and its role in securing data at rest for Azure virtual machines. Your answer should be Azure Disk Encryption is a feature provided by Microsoft for encrypting data at rest on Azure virtual machines using industry standard encryption algorithms and keys managed by Azure Key Vault. Azure Disk Encryption helps protect sensitive data stored on virtual hard disks (VHDs) from unauthorized access and disclosure by encrypting the entire disk volume, including the operating system, data disks, and temporary disks, ensuring data confidentiality and integrity in Azure. Our next interview question is: what are Azure Bastion and Azure Private Link and how do they enhance network security and connectivity for Azure resources? Your answer should be Azure Bastion is a managed jump server service provided by Microsoft that enables secure and seamless RDP SSH access to Azure virtual machines over the public internet without exposing the virtual machines to IP addresses or managing VPN connections. Azure Private Link is a service provided by Microsoft that enables organizations to access Azure services such as Azure SQL Database, Azure Storage, and Azure App Service privately from their virtual network, eliminating exposure to the public internet and enhancing network security and compliance. Our next interview question is: how do you implement multi-factor authentication (MFA) and conditional access policies in Azure Active Directory to enhance identity security and access controls. Your answer should be multi-factor authentication. MFA is a security mechanism that requires users to provide multiple forms of authentication, such as a password and a verification code sent to a mobile device to access Azure resources. Conditional access policies in Azure Active Directory Azure AD enable organizations to enforce access controls based on user identity, device health, location, and risk level, ensuring secure access to Azure resources while maintaining user productivity and compliance with security policies. If you are preparing for any Azure-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.